How's it going, everybody? My name is Noah here from Russ Darrow Mazda, located in Greenfield, Wisconsin. I'm going to be one of the sales consultants here, and today I just wanted to make a quick video to go over the differences between financing and leasing a vehicle. So when you finance a car, it is going to be your possession, something that you own and yours to do as you feel. But then when you lease a vehicle, it's a little bit different. A very common term for a lease would be, let's say, 3 years and 36,000 miles. So it leaves you with just about 12,000 miles a year, but you can change that depending on how much you drive and your current situation. But the biggest difference is that when you're financing a vehicle, you're fully committing to that car. That's once again something that you own. Versus a lease deal, that would be something that you're only paying for what you use and is not marrying you to that payment and to that vehicle. It's a great option if you want to see if the vehicle is going to fit for you over a year, 2 years, because if you don't like the vehicle, let's say a year and a half into your 3-year lease, you could bring it back early and we could take it off your hands and get you into something a little bit more fitting for you. But let's say you love the vehicle at the end of your 3-year lease. You could still buy that vehicle out for a predetermined price that we would decide before your lease starts. But either way, it's a great option for the lease to really keep your options open for maybe a different living situation in the future or maybe a different family situation. Either way, it's a great option. But let's say you love the vehicle, you know you want to move forward on it and own it for the rest of your life, a finance could be the perfect route to go then. Either way, we have all the options here for you guys at Russ Darrow Mazda. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Nonetheless, my name is Noah once again, and I hope to see you guys on the lot. Bye-bye.